Alright, what's going on everybody? It's Tristan, and today in this video what I've been doing, basically what I'm going to be showing you all is how you guys can, basically the fastest way to resell any of your HYPEBEAST goods, whether it's sneakers, Supreme, Louis Vuitton, like I'm talking anything. Like here we go, we got some Travis Scott Air Force One sales. I sold these, and this is something I recently bought with some profits I've been getting recently. So you know, you got the nice little LV duffel, and I'm basically going to be showing you guys how you'll be able to easily afford stuff like this, no problem, and still have some cash aside, don't worry. And yeah, you know, this is a really clean pair of sneaks, and I sold these in like 30 minutes for $200 profit. So like, it's so easy to sell stuff, and I will show you all with this way how you guys can do it, my bad, I'll just be mispronouncing. But yeah, I really just want to show you all this video because I haven't done like a tutorial on like my method of selling stuff, because I sell all my stuff same day, if not faster. Like I sell all my stuff so quick, you know. I'm not trying to like flex when I say that. Like I try and move my stuff as fast as I can. That's like my goal. So, you know, I'm always throwing deals out there like with my stuff. So, you know, that's kind of my objective, and I'm going to be showing you guys how you can do it. So I hope you guys will enjoy this video. If you guys want more content like this, feel free to go ahead and subscribe below, and also drop a like in this video. Let's try and hit 200 likes, and I'll drop another resale video. I'm going to keep doing these since you guys really like them, but yeah, you know, first little vid right here. Another one just on how to resell stuff fast for good profits. So yeah, I hope you guys will enjoy, and let me get to showing you how y'all can make that big money, fast money. And also, if you haven't already, go check out my Instagrams down below. I'd appreciate a follow on either or both. That'd be dope. But yeah, let's get into it. These are crazy, by the way. I like these. Okay, so first thing I want to point out about this method before I get into explaining it really, I want to just explain that this isn't, it will work most of the time. This is a very effective method. It's pretty much worked for selling all my stuff daily, and I basically, you post a bunch of items every day and I get them sold that day. So this is gonna work for most people, but the thing is, it really depends. Having nicer items will make this method more effective, but if you have items that are still like somewhat desired or hyped or go for like good amounts of money, then this can actually work really well. And honestly, I feel like it works with all kinds of items. You just need to set it up correctly, and I'm gonna show you all how. So, you know, I made a video recently too on a lot of really good items that you guys can resell right now that are hot and are doing really good. So here that is, if you all want to go check that out. Those are some items you guys can buy that this method would work great with, or stuff that actually I've used this method with that's allowed me to sell stuff in 30 minutes or less, like for $200. Like as an example, I just showed you all, like I've sold those. You can go ask the guy. So yeah, basically let's get into explaining a little bit of this resale method and how you guys can get your items sold the fastest way possible. So another thing I want to explain also, really quick, just another thing, I know, another interruption, is that having a bigger following helps. Like on my resale page, I have like 4,500 followers. I'm not trying to flex when I say that. I'm just saying, like, having more followers will make it easier for you to sell items. So go get a bit of a following and try this method, because once you get some followers going, some local connections, all that, selling stuff, that's a good method. It just gets easy. Just start following people, because once you got some followers, then people start seeing your posts. And make sure you're active with them, you know, respond to DMs. Typical normal advice. But basically, I'm gonna get into explaining what this method is. It's very classic, but not a lot of people use it. It's basically the exact same way as setting up an eBay auction, but basically you do it on Instagram, and you have full control of it. So basically what you do is, let's say you have any item. So for example, let me explain exactly how I sold these. So exactly how I sold these sneakers, literally step by step. Comes with everything, OG all, you know, see that, everything's with them. And you know, it just has these ones on great condition. But basically how I sold these is I bought them for the low, got a huge deal on these. And basically what I did is then I thought around the price that I bought them for, and I set it about $50 less than what I bought it for. So basically I said, okay, everybody start offers. You know, I just posted it and I set it up. I set up my post with the name of it, highest offer, comment offers below, and then a bunch of hashtags so, you know, it gets recommended more. But basically I set offers really, really low to start in this item, so I get a lot of people to comment. So Instagram builds more engagement on the post and people see it. That's one small little thing, but the main reason I do that is because if you start at a really low price, then a lot of people can actually meet that, and then more and more people are going to comment, because people are going to be like, oh shoot, this item is popular, I want to get it, you know, like hype. The hype's all around, man, and if people see something's been hyped up on a post, they're gonna like it. So basically what you do is set like kind of a low starting bid price, like maybe a price that's, again, lower than what you paid for it. Like that's where you can start accepting offers at. Maybe at one that is lower than what you paid for, but people will eventually keep building offers up, like keep offering on your items and keep offering on your sneakers, and eventually they will start offering to the point where you'll start making profit, and then you'll get more and more comments. It's what I've done like all my recent items. It's what I do, and that's really how I sell my stuff. I mean, I feel like I'm revealing like kind of some big secrets here, like maybe I should keep it more low key, but like, you know, this is just how you sell stuff. You know, if you just set low, like kind of starting bid, then basically people will keep bidding more and more on your Instagram. Like under that post, they will comment offers, or they will DM you offers that are higher than the current highest offer. So let's say, you know, I started the bid on these at like 200. Then I got a bunch of people commenting, sending 250, 300, 350, 400, and then just keeps building and building up. And then you keep updating people on the highest offer, just keep posting it, like what the highest offer is in your story, keep reposting it. You know, people will see that, keep it up for 24 hours. Then obviously, you know, just keep updating people with what the highest offer is on your story, and then the comments, stay active on that post. That's really the fastest way to sell stuff. So hopefully that made sense. Basically what I'm trying to say is you should basically make people bid for an item. You should have a set price that you want for it, but you want to start the bidding. Like you want people to bid in your item. That's really what you want to do, is accept offers also. So what you want to do is make sure you have a highest offer, set it pretty low at the start, maybe if it's even not making you any money, and then just get people to keep commenting offers, because people will see that it's pretty low and be like, oh, you know, that's a deal, I'll throw an offer, and then more and more people will keep throwing offers. So hopefully that's a little bit of a better explanation of it, but that's the exact way I sold these, exact way I've sold a lot of my recent kicks for big profits, and you know, just got them sold in like a day. So that's my method right there. It's the bidding method, just basically exactly like an eBay auction. Just start it low and eventually it will end high and you'll get some profit. So that's my method right there. It's low key, and don't sleep. Go ahead, go use it and build a following, because having more followers make this method a lot more effective on Instagram. And this is really for Instagram only. I mean, you could do this with anything else, I guess. Like, I mean, it's kind of just logic, but yeah, you know, just that's what it is. So method I got right there, and that's how you sell stuff quick, sneakers, anything for that fast money. So let's roll that outro. Anyways, thank you all for watching this video. It's as simple as that for me when it comes to selling anything, sneakers, designer. I mean, just that's how it is. And having better items helps. But again, I made a video on that recently, so if you want to go check that out, I may link it down below, but you should be able to go find it from the thumbnail there. It's one of my more recent ones. Just find some items like that are profitable and will help you out. And you know, that video is basically there for that. So if you guys did enjoy and want more videos like this, don't forget, please go ahead and subscribe below, and also drop a like in this video. Don't forget, trying to see 200 likes in this video, and I will keep bringing you on more and more hustling videos. Got the new personal recently, as you can tell, the LV duffel. Really glad that I got that. It's gonna be useful for a lot of things, so I'm glad. And yeah, that's pretty much all I gotta say. So thank y'all for watching. Go check my Instagrams down below. Go follow me there, you know, I'd really appreciate that. And yeah, I'll see y'all pretty much in the next video. So I'm T, thanks for watching. And that's it. Peace.